Do you have problem with an coil pack that you a distributor that you want to turn to a coil pack? Well, your problem is solved. All you have to do is just change this plate right here. This is a 4A, which is a distributor, as you can see. So we'll turn it into a coil pack. So this is what you do. Remove this plate and replace it back with this plate. So well, this is the crank sensor. So we will turn the distributor in a coil pack. But to do that, we have to have a crank sensor, which the crank sensor never come on the distributor engine. So we remove the front plate, see it here, and we are going to use this one on it. So simple job. So put on the crank position sensor. So the crank sensor is around there. So we remove this front plate because it don't bring a crank sensor. So we turn in a distributor into a coil pack. So that is how it's done.